Thank you for your question. And Frank, the viewer wants to know why it's important and what to do about medical treatment after an accident.
When you've been injured in an accident, it's really important that you seek medical attention and you get a medical opinion as to what you should do next. A couple reasons for this. The obvious one is to make sure you're on the course to getting better. A medical provider is the only one that's going to be able to tell you what to do to minimize your damages. And you have to try to do that. It's really, really important, even more than any case. But secondly, you want to make sure when you go to the doctor that you report all of your injuries. Sometimes what will happen is that you have an injury that is a pressing injury, you might say a broken arm or something that is obvious, and you report that, but you forget some of the smaller injuries that aren't bothering you a lot at the time. And the example of that is back injuries. Typically, a back injury is something that may not come on right away. It may come on a day, 2 days later, a week later, and it may start off slow and kind of build as time goes on. And if you have other injuries that are more pressing at the time, sometimes you don't report those to your medical providers. Or the medical providers, you don't put enough emphasis on them, so your medical providers don't put them in the report. So you want to make sure you're comprehensive in what you tell your doctors. Everything may resolve, and that would be great, but if they don't, you want to make sure it's documented. Really important.